Okay guys, I've been asked a few times recently, but I didn't have a camera obviously, so I couldn't do it. Where can I stay in Naga? Well, there's lots of hotels in Naga, all different prices, all different types of rooms, etc., as you would probably guess. So I'm just going to show you a few that I know you'd be very satisfied if you stayed at. These aren't in any order of, the best. Now the first one is at Magsaysay, and it's the Avenue Plaza Hotel. Now it's got, breakfast is included with all these prices, by the way, guys. Now they've got gym, they've got swimming pool, restaurants, all the things you'd expect from a hotel like this. So I would highly recommend that you come to this hotel and try it out closer. The staff are wonderful, they're marvelous, very helpful. Now with most of these hotels you're going to be able to do parties, guys. Now I'll just walk you out to Magsaysay. Now Magsaysay, let me tell you guys, hold on. Magsaysay is the place to come for the restaurants if you want a nice restaurant. The next hotel I'm gonna show you is the Villa Caceres. I've been in the Villa Caceres. It's got a swimming pool, all the same kinds of amenities like we have here, slightly cheaper. Now, I'll give you the basic price of a queen is 6,840 pesos. Now, don't have a heart attack at that, guys, because when you book, they'll give you discount, and that will come down to 4,700. Now, if you go on one of these sites, like Pagoda and all these, different sites, what TripAdvisor, Booking.com, you'll get discounts straight away from the site. They're always doing special offers. Now that goes for all the hotels, so I don't have to repeat myself, guys. So let's go on to the next hotel. Now, just to get your bearings, guys, UMA, these are all condos. It's my understanding they're around 6 million. I think there's one for sale at the minute. No, don't ask me why. But there's a Jollibee here, look, opposite the hotel. So if you want a Jollibee, you're not bothered about the restaurant. But it's off subject a bit, guys. I just want to show you this place, which I recommend you come for food. I've been on at least half a dozen occasions, and it's really worth the visit. And again, Magsaysay, it's called the Red Platter. Give it a visit, guys. You'll not be disappointed. The food's beautiful. I've never ever had a bad meal here. The next one is the Villa Caceres. But just before I say anything more about this lovely hotel, I've just got to go back to the Avenue one that you've just seen. I forgot to mention that they actually include a shuttle service for the cost of the room. If you do the room online, you get a shuttle service from the airport to the hotel. So you land in Pili, there'll be a car there ready to pick you up. I needed to tell you that one. Right now, I've been to the Villa Caceres a number of times. One, I stayed there. So I know it's a lovely hotel. The rooms are beautiful. The staff is wonderful. Now that's not to take anything away from the Avenue, because I'd be a bit unfair because I've not actually stayed at the Avenue. But I know from people who have stayed, it's a lovely hotel. Basically, they've all got the same kind of things, swimming pool, gyms, that kind of thing. There's a With the Villa Casa, there's an all-day buffet. It's great if you're having any kind of events, weddings, anything like that as well. I really, really like this place for Magseis Side. These are the only hotels in Magseis Side that I would, recommend. So if you're coming to Naga and you want to be around Magseis Side, I'll put my tube in eventually. These are the two hotels that's a big must. The basic room in the Villa Casa is 3,270. Now, again guys, bear in mind, if you book it online, there's discounts. They're always running promotions to obviously fill the rooms. So you're going to be booking online anyway, but if you book online, you're going to find it's cheaper. So these prices are just to give you an idea. They're not, written in stone. Right, the next hotel is CBD Plaza Hotel. This is just a little bit outside Centro Plaza. SM's over here. There's a new LCC been built there, and I think that was the trigger for SM to expand it. So there's building work in progress there. Now, the good thing about this hotel is a single room is 1,200. I've known quite a few foreigners stay here and they love it. They've come back. So if you want a decent hotel, the next room is a queen. It's just under 2,000. Again, if you go and book online with these hotels, you'll always get a better deal. There's always something happening. The good thing about this place as well, not only is it close to SM, it's opposite the bus station. Now you can get a bus from Manila to here for about 700 pesos, whereas the plane is like maybe 3,500. It takes between 8 hours and 11 hours to get here from Manila, depending on traffic. On the plane it takes about an hour and 20 minutes, I think. Hour and 30 minutes, something like that. Now, I keep getting asked, is there a expat group here? Well, there used to be, but I think they must have got sick of each other, because it used to be every Wednesday around, it was, let's say, started about 12. Now, I'm not going to dwell on this a lot, but I just want to show you where it is roughly. Now, SM's here. Across from SM is the arena. Mind you, they call it something else. It's not an arena, is it? That's my interpretation of it. Yeah, it's called the Coliseum, guys. It's over there, you can't see it from the billboard. But there's the IBM Concentrics. Now, in the corner there, it's a shop and they sell booze and stuff, and they've got chairs and tables outside. And they'd sit out there for hours until most of them got really, really drunk. And then they go. But I've been told it's not there anymore. So, one of my favorites in Naga is the Morville Hotel. Again, there's been one or two people stayed here. I've been in this place a number of times for weddings, birthday parties, that kind of thing. It's a lovely hotel. I have seen the rooms, but I've not videoed them. It's clean, the staff are really polite, which they are with Filipinos as well as foreigners. It's not just a foreigner thing. So this is one I would recommend. There's, she doesn't believe there's any discount online, so you're talking 1,700. That's including breakfast for 24 hours. So on to our last, but certainly not least. Right, just a quick, the Morville you've just seen. It's 3 minutes away from Plaza because it's in Centro. It's about 6 minutes away from SM. This is similar, although probably 5 minutes into Plaza and probably 8, let's say 10 minutes to SM walk. Now this is the Villa Rosita, sorry, Rosita. It used to be the Eurotel. It's a lovely hotel. I've seen the rooms. The rooms are lovely. I've actually done a video, so if you go back through the video, you'll be able to see the rooms. 24-hour stay, 1,360, and you have the breakfast included in that. You have free Wi-Fi, etc. I would definitely recommend all of these hotels that I've shown you today. I hope it's been informative and you've enjoyed it. Again, if you'd like to see a video of anything, let me know if it would interest you. Also, if you want me to take a video with the family because you're in the US, UK, you'd like to see how I'm doing, I'll do that if you post me an email. Now, just to avoid anybody sending me messages asking me why I didn't video the rooms, it's because it's absolutely practically impossible. They're not really happy with you videoing inside these hotels. It's the same as going into stores, you know, can't you video in the store? They won't let you do it, the guards will stop you, especially in SM. Unless you're on a phone, of course. But I've tried a phone and I can't get the videos off the phone. I'll keep trying. But this camera's brilliant. Thanks, Jim. Thanks to all my members and patrons. Thank you for your support. Guys, I've walked for well over an hour and 20 minutes to do this video today. If you could show your appreciation by subscribing, give me the thumbs up and leaving a comment, tell me what you think. I'd be very, very grateful.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, George Andrews, John Donacci, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Daz, Robert Cole, Michael McFarland, Aaron, Dr. Philippines, Wolfen4966, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Ryan Dawson, Albarjich, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, a Brit's Philippines destination. Big thanks to all of you.